Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will learn about the shape of the earth and the earth's axis. Okay, let's get started. So this is the picture of the solar system. So how do we remember this order of the planets from the sun? We have that common acronym, right? That is the my very educated mother just served us noodles, right? Or we can say that my very enthusiastic mother just served us noodles. So that is very common acronym to remember the order of the planets from the sun. So first planet from the sun is Mercury, second Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. This is the order of the planets from the sun. So we leave on the earth, right? That is the third planet from the sun. Now see, observe these pictures and tell me what is the similarity between these two pictures. The left hand side, that is tennis ball, and the other side, that is all the planets. So what is the similarity between all planets and tennis ball? Yes, they both are round in shape, or you can say spherical in shape, right? Now this is the true model of the earth. This is the replica of the earth. Okay, this is called as globe. Okay, let's see what is the difference between this tennis ball and orange. There is some difference between them. The orange is flat on top and bottom, right? And it is not perfect round. So just like an orange, the earth too is not perfectly round, children. The earth is also flattened, or you can say that is the squeezed down at the poles. So this is called as North Pole and this is called as South Pole. So there is little bit flattened at this poles. And yes, again here at the center of the orange there is a bulge, right? Bulge at the center. So same like an orange, earth has also bulge at the center of the earth. Now this bulge is at the 0-degree latitude. That is called as equator. Okay, that 0-degree latitude is called as equator and bulge is here. Let's see the few ways to confirm that our earth is not flat but spherical in shape. So the first example is the lunar eclipse, right? When the earth comes between the sun and the moon, the shadow of the earth cast on the moon, and this shadow is curved and round in shape. So it is proving that the earth is round or spherical in shape, right? During the lunar eclipse. Eclipse means the blockage of the light, complete or partial blockage of the light. So it is proving that the earth is round in shape or spherical in shape. Second example, aeroplanes can fly around the earth and reach their starting point, proving that earth is round, right? Let's see the third example. Standing on the shore and a ship is going out to sea. The ship gets smaller as it moves further away from you, right? So you see that bottom part of it disappears faster than the top part. Why does this happen? Because of the curvature of the earth, because of the arc of the earth. So this is also proving that the earth is round in shape or spherical in shape. Let's see the earth's axis. Now in the spinning top, the upper projected part is called as tip of the top. This part is tip of the top and this is the bottom of the top. Together the tip and the base form an imaginary axis for the spinning top from the tip to bottom. This is the imaginary axis for the spinning top. So it's spinning around its vertical axis, right? So this is the rotation of wheel and this is the rotation of wooden log. So this will rotate horizontally. This is the horizontal axis. The axis is an imaginary line that passes from North Pole to South Pole. So this axis is important as the movement of the earth depends on it. So this axis is very, very important. The axis of the earth is tilted slightly, right? So this shows the 23.5-degree inclination of the earth's axis. Now this inclination or tilt causes one part of the earth lean towards the sun. So this turn causes the different parts of the earth's surface to receive different amounts of sunlight and heat. As the earth moves around its orbit, the part of the earth leaning towards the sun keeps changing. Due to this tilt, Earth's surface to receive different amounts of sunlight and heat. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Learn to grow, not to know.